Today I bring you another unlocking of the pattern lock screen of the Samsung A05. As you can see, the device is here with a screen lock. It can be any other type of initial screen lock. Pass the password, right, the PIN, or any other model, it doesn't matter. This procedure will erase all the information on your phone, so it's a good idea to remove your SIM card and memory card. And this procedure works for other Samsung models as well, okay folks? In some cases you will need to connect a USB cable to your computer, otherwise it won't enter recovery mode and won't access the unlock option, okay? So if you also need to unlock the Google account on this device or any other model, we do that too, okay? Connect the cable, leave it on the emergency screen. You will press the volume down and power together. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung name appears on the screen, release the power, keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I will show you here to make it easier for you to unlock and recover your device again. You can see that it is locked here. As I mentioned, it is showing the lock icon too, right? Connect the cable. You don't need to download any program. You don't need to download any app, nothing.
So let's go. Minus in power.
Hold until the device restarts. It's important to keep track of this time, okay? Keep holding. Release the minus and press the plus. Wait for the name to appear on the screen, release the power, and keep holding the button on top until it enters recovery mode. When it enters recovery mode, which is this one, you can disconnect the cable. As you can see, let me get closer here, just so you can see better. I don't know if you can see, because sometimes it's not focusing, right? Then you go look to the option wipe data factory reset, okay? Go to this option here, look, let me see if I can improve the focus for you. But I think you can see it, right? Just follow along on your phone. It's wipe data factory reset. Let me go back here. There, I think you can see it better now, can't you? Now on this option you will press the power button once, okay? On this other screen you scroll down again. That's what we want. And confirm once more with the power button. Now you wait. But as you've completed this information, press the power button again, and here you will see that your device will already return without any password, without any PIN, without any initial lock screen passwords that you set and for some reason ended up forgetting, okay? Wait for it to return. You will set it up normally,
like how it comes from the factory.
And if you need to unlock your device from the Google account, we can do that unlock, okay? From anywhere you are, you can get in touch with me, and we will guide you and help you in the best way possible. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be in the video description. No matter the amount, what matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I have helped you. This was today's video. Thanks everyone, a hug. See you next time.